with the KX News Storm Team.
Well, we have a wind chill advisory that's going to be in effect for all these counties you see here until 10 o'clock Central Time tomorrow. Some of the wind chills could be 30, 35, 40 degrees below zero. In addition, beginning tomorrow night at midnight, there will be a high wind watch and then a winter storm watch off to the east. And so we've got a lot of wind on the way over the next couple of days. And the dangerous wind chills are returning even tonight. Snow for many of us tomorrow. It is going to be very windy soon. It'll be kind of windy tomorrow. Real windy by tomorrow night and Friday, and at this point still looks like active weather next week. We're really having a hard time trying to figure out where that storm is going to go, because for one thing, it hasn't even developed yet, and we know that there's going to be something up in Canada trying to maybe block it from going north, so there's the potential to have some very active weather next week, but we still need a couple of more days to kind of fine-tune some details. In Bismarck right now, 7 degrees, northwest wind at 10, so if you're outside in Bismarck, it feels like 8 below. And in Minot, it's 2 degrees below zero, west wind at 21, so it feels like 25 degrees below zero. And across western North Dakota, already 10 degrees below in Rolla. 8 below in Bottineau right now, so we have some below zero temperatures kind of along the east here, all the way down to Medina. But even Bowman, single digits above zero, so it is cold. Wind is much less, is a lot less strong as it has been earlier today. Now it's mostly 5 to 10 miles an hour. On the hill in Minot, a little bit windier at 21, so that's why the wind chill is reading that cold. But you can see Rolla 34 below for the wind chill. And here's our precision cast tomorrow morning. Could be a couple of really light snowflakes. You might notice this is one shade. This would be real light stuff here, and it won't last long. Should be fairly quiet at noon, breezy but quiet, southerly flow. We are going to warm up. Now, it'll be cold in the morning, but we are going to warm up in quite a few places. This looks pretty widespread to me. Darkest colors, the highest odds look to be over towards maybe even around Dickinson, down towards Bowman, Hettinger. Notice the pink there might be warming up for a wintry mix type of thing. And then this area, I mean, this is just, one computer model, but it does show pretty good area that might get some snow. And by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, the bulk of that is going to be off to the east. But if you look here, there's still a couple of spots here or there that could get a little snow, maybe a couple of raindrops. And then by Friday morning at 7 o'clock, another little shot possibly in the far southwest. And this computer model through Friday morning, I mean, we're talking about a little bit of snow. Maybe in the north, 1 to 3 inches, but overall it's going to be pretty light. So here's a look at the 72-hour planner for Dickinson. And Saturday really warms up, almost picnic weather. In Williston, not quite as warm, but we'll have that wind kicking in as well. So tonight, very cold in the north central and northeast. Cold everywhere, but that's where it'll be the coldest. And then for tomorrow morning, as you're getting heading out the door, you're going to need to dress for temperatures that feel like that. And as we take a look at the high temperatures tomorrow, single digits, but look at this, 20s and 30s. So that is a nice little warm up. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook. And how about this, Saturday and Sunday? Notice a big drop in temperatures, and it's going to be cold a couple of days next week, even colder in the north central part of the state. So Nicholas, we've got a lot of wind. We're going to probably get some snow tomorrow. The next thing to really kind of focus in on will be early next week.
I'm going to focus in on those high temperatures, though. Tom, thanks a lot.